Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Figma variables for theme-based branding, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Figma variables for theme-based branding, start by opening your Figma project. Navigate to the Assets panel on the left side of your workspace. Select the Variables tab to reveal the Variables section. Click on the plus icon to create a new variable group. Name your variable group appropriately, such as theme colors or font styles. In the newly created variable group, click Add Variable. For theme colors, create variables such as primary color, secondary color, and background color. Choose colors for each variable. To add text styles, create variables like headings, font, and body font in the same way. Navigate to the Text Styles section in the right panel to set font properties like size, weight, and line height. Now assign these text properties to your newly created variables. To ensure consistency, consider adding variables for spacing and border styles as well. Once all variables are configured, organize them within the variable group for easier access. Utilize the preview option to see how your variables affect the design in real time. Test the variables by applying them to your design elements. Select a layer or component, and in the right panel, find the Variables section. Simply assign the corresponding variable to the element, such as applying primary color to a button. As you make changes to the variable values, notice how it affects all instances where the variable is used. This way, you can easily update your entire design's theme with just a few adjustments. For added flexibility, create multiple variable groups for different themes like light and dark modes. Publish your design to share the configured variables with your team. Make sure to document your variable usage guidelines for future reference. Now, you're equipped to implement theme-based branding in Figma with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.